My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the online scam related to this site Allowmessagef2.click. Allowmessagef2.click stands for a dangerous site. It displays pretty scary pop-up alerts that try to make you forced to download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you ever see these pop-ups by the site Allowmessagef2.click, don't trust them and leave this page. Also, I recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and then once it is successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and then eliminate all other threats which could still possibly remain on your device. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.